Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to make a homemade detangler. So as you can see, I have my products here, my spray bottle, my apple cider vinegar, my 100% olive oil, and my shea butter. So the first thing I put in the bottle was the olive oil. You need a lot. Depends on how much you're going to be using at once. As you can see, quality of the olive oil. Then I'll be putting my shea butter. As you can see, the brand is Shea, and it's deep conditioning treatment for your hair. And you can get these. I'm going to be leaving the links in the description below for you guys to get your products. And you don't need a lot of that now. That's it. So, a little more if you want. And that's it. As you can see how it sinks below inside the olive oil. And the last thing I'm going to be adding is my apple cider vinegar. And this is raw apple cider vinegar. As you can see the color of it, it's raw. And I'm gonna be pouring it so where I indicated my finger earlier, and right there, because you don't want to drown all the products. After that, I'm gonna be adding my water. This one dilutes a little bit because this is rather strong, and this also helps with the whole idea of a homemade detangler for your hair. And then I'm gonna screw this on back and give it a little shake. Look at the color, guys. 100% natural. And it's good to make your products at home. You just need ingredients, no additives, just natural products. Like and subscribe.